Last week on Salty Devotions, we showed you the Tabasco plant. This week, let's go to Avery Island. Just checked in at the gift shop, and now we're doing the, what was it, the jungle?
The Jungle Garden of Avery Islands tour.
Alright, we're driving in, and this place is loaded with beautiful trees. Be a cool place to do some photos.
Here's an alligator right here. We are looking for a big one. Apparently McElhaney tagged a 19-foot gator. This one doesn't look to be, but what, maybe 4 feet about. You don't know what you're looking for. They're hard to kind of spot sometimes. That one just went under the water.
So Governor and President Cleveland liked this oak so much when he was here. He actually hugged this oak. So that's where it got its name.
Beautiful tree. We're going to go check out the Buddha temple here on Avery Island. We'll have to go around to the bridge. I think we can get the front of the Buddha temple for y'all. We're going to go on the back side of it right now. Cute little bridge. The steps. This is the back side of it. So this statue was purchased by two of McElhaney's friends and sent to him as a gift. It was originally located northeast of Peking by the order of Imperial. I cannot say that name, guys, but that's the story. Let's see. pretty impressive. See if I can get a... There's the cute little bridge where you can stand on and overlook it.
Hey, check out that spider. In the swamps of Louisiana, check that spider out.
Wow.
If anybody knows what kind of spider that is, leave it in the comments, let us know.
Look at that. Look at how it's doing its web. That's interesting.
You see the front of it? It looks like it's got like almost like a claw on it. See, you got two legs come out on one leg?
Yeah.
Or is that the back?
I don't know. But I don't like spiders, guys, so I'm leaving. Growing up, our boys had all kind of things, all kind of different wildlife. We even had a Burmese python, which did not bother me that much as spiders do. Don't like them. Okay, guys, see this right here? This is swamp water. And believe it or not, there's gators in this. So I always get a little scared walking past this kind of water. Because they're in there, you just can't see them. Ooh, something just moved right there. There's Audie on the bridge. Hey, Audie. He made his way to the bridge before me. I'm going to be very cautious because I just saw something move in this water. So McElhaney created a sanctuary for birds for nesting, because at one point they almost became extinct. I don't know if necessarily extinct is the right word, but there was a very sharp decline in egrets because apparently their feathers, they would be used in women's hats. At one time, the feathers sold for more than gold. So he noticed a need for this and built this area for them. It's hard to really see up there, but that was the McElhaney home that actually stayed occupied with the McElhaney family till 1980. The original home that he had built out here had burned down, and then that was the second one that was reconstructed. They have it fenced off. It was hard to get like a really good picture of it, but it sits in the middle of this beautiful property.
And sustainability of bamboo, and regard Avery Island as one of the world's most extensive bamboo collections. In fact, Avery Island contains the largest grove of giant timber bamboo outside of China. Bamboo is not a tree, but a grass, and is a viable replacement for wood.
Alright guys, what's a trip without going to the mall? I'm going to find me a cute outfit for my dinner date tonight at Préjean's. Alright, I'm finished shopping, guys. Now it's time to go get ready for my date at Préjean's tonight. We're dressed and we are headed out for our date night, and it's going to be at Préjean's. Come along with us. Different ways of saying the name, Préjean's, Préjean's. So we asked our waitress when she sat us, what's the proper way to say it? So we've actually been saying it incorrectly. It's not Préjean's, it's Préjean's. And so that's the Cajun way to say it properly. So normally they have some awesome Cajun music, and we thought there would be some Cajun music tonight. When we got here, the guy said no, not tonight. But typically, and I'm telling you, it's authentic Cajun music normally that you hear here. So it's pretty great, but unfortunately not tonight.
Maybe next time. What are you eating?
These are the crawfish egg rolls. Delicious.
Grilled oysters for an appetizer.
They look delicious.
They look good.
Look at that.
Hot. Very good. That is.
Look at the butter sauce on that.
I was gonna say
delicious.
it's a strong butter, lemon, garlic. Very good. Very good.
It looks good. All right.
What'd you get, Pam?
I got the 3 cheese crawfish enchiladas with the twice baked potato.
Nice. And I got the eggplant, the stuffed eggplant with the twice stuffed baked potato. And this looks pretty amazing.
Yes. Yum. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps us out a lot. See you next time. Thanks, guys.